Hi everyone, welcome to Liking Energy. We're your go-to source factory for solar street lights, specializing in top-quality integrated outdoor solar lights. From solar lights design to production, we've got you covered with one-stop service. Right now, we're testing the brightness of our high-performance H120 solar lamp. Let's check it out together. Take a look here. This is our materials area, where all the raw materials are produced in-house to ensure top quality. Over here, we've got ready-to-ship stock. We're shipping out about 2 to 4 containers weekly to meet global demand. This is our production line, running non-stop, with a monthly production capacity of 5,000 to 8,000 sets. We can handle all your needs. Need something customized? No problem. We accept OEM orders, and can also process your materials for assembly. Let's make your ideas a reality. Now, about this H120 solar roadway light. It's perfect for steel poles between 9 to 12 meters high. Plus, we provide IES files and dialogue solutions to help you plan your roadway or city lighting projects. Let's go to the roof and see the actual effect of our outdoor lighting. There are a lot of data to say, but seeing it with your own eyes is the most convincing. Experience the brightness and uniformity of the light on site to see if it meets your needs. The real effect is directly presented, and objective judgment is more reliable. Let's go now and take you to experience the real lighting experience. If you're working on solar street light projects, let's connect. Drop us a message anytime. Can't wait to collaborate with you.